So now we're going to do Splash Paint. You click to launch. You can download it here and allow. This is your canvas. Click anywhere to paint. And then these are all the different tools that you can use, and this is undo. So we can start with this one. And it creates these kind of different designs, and the color changes as you go. And then I can come here. I can change the color. All right. Undo, undo. Oh, undo and redo. Got it. Okay, so you can only undo the last step. I'm going to click up here and make it new. That's small, big. And let's get a paintbrush anytime. I think I'm going to do that better. I don't really like the lines. Ooh, that's kind of cool. And changes the size. Press OK. That's a little too heavy. So, new. Okay. So I'm going to make it smaller and see if that helps anything. All right. Now I'm going to go to the paint. Nope, so that's what I've been using. So I'm going to try this guy. So this sticks it on a path. And then I can quick stamp it if I want. It says rows of brushes, and then these are all the different things that I can do to change it. Okay, so it stays as the star the whole time. So let's try spiral. All right, and clear tool, one expanding brush. I kind of like the way how this one works. And that's interesting. The more that I press, the larger it becomes. So I'm going to make new. And that's interesting. All right, what are these? Use only white. Use current color. And these are different shapes. Allow sliding, allow rotation, and free drag. So this one just seems to act more like a stamp. All right. And there's more options as you go. So these are the different tools. So press new. And then it says save. So I'm interested to see what the option is to save. So let's press that. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So I am going to have to do a print screen for this one. So I'm going to do Control and then Window Switcher. And then I'm going to click Copy to Clipboard. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to get my cursor in the artwork, Control V to paste. Double click and get only my artwork visible. Oops. And press enter. Scale it to the size that I want. And because this has a white background, I think I'm going to do, you know what? Also, I'm going to rotate it this way because I think it'll fit better into my artwork column. And there you go. There's my beautiful artwork. Oops. And maybe I'll give it a outline. Okay. I found that one a little tricky. So I think for my brief description, I don't know if I'm a big fan of this. I think I would say that it was kind of hard to work with. And when I was pressing and holding, I didn't really like that it scattered, and I would have liked to have had a little bit more control over it. I think that's my feeling on the splash paint. I know when I'm in the classroom and kids have time to do the great websites, it seems like this is something that you guys like